Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have Vscode open and a project folder loaded. That is the starting point. First, focus on the integrated terminal. This is the only way we'll open a prompt inside Vscode. Press and hold Ctrl and tap the backtick key. Once done, the terminal pane appears at the bottom. Make sure your editor has focus, because keyboard input directs the toggle there. If you prefer menus, move to the View menu next, but continue with the shortcut for speed. Once the terminal pane exists, you'll want to control which shell runs and where it appears. Open the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P and type Toggle Integrated Terminal if the shortcut didn't work. Press Enter. Then, click the terminal drop-down on the right to choose Bash, PowerShell, CMD, or ZSH. Pick what your project needs. You can split the terminal to run parallel tasks. Use the split icon or Ctrl plus \. This keeps processes separate and visible, which improves workflow. To complete the setup, dock the terminal where you want it, click the panel menu or drag it to the side. Make sure workspace settings persist your preferred shell path and that any project-specific terminal profiles are saved. If the terminal does not appear, restart Vscode, then check settings for terminal. Integrated, shell or terminal profiles, and disable interfering extensions. Sometimes an extension blocks the pane. If you still see nothing, open the developer tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.